apple red with a ski for a wheel. And when Santa hits the gas, man, just watch her peel. It's the little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer.
Miss no one.
Hauling through the snow at a frightening speed, with a half a dozen deer with old Rudy to lead. He's gotta wear his goggles 'cause the snow really flies, and he's cruising every pad with a little surprise. It's the little Saint Nick. It's a little Saint Nick. Merry Christmas, Saint Nick.
You know, folks, everybody celebrates Christmas at their home a little different. But one thing's for sure, we all love to listen to those great old Christmas classics, those masterpieces. Like for instance, this lovely ballad written by the great Charles Berry, Esquire.
The curtains are closed. Of course they're closed.
Well, that's what usually happens when the show's over. The curtains closed. Be quiet.
Well, but you told me that I could do my original Christmas song this year.
You didn't tell him that.
I didn't tell him that.
Who told him that? Yes, guys, you did. I remember. You told him you can do the song that you wrote for Christmas
That's
to end
right.
it. Guys, give him a chance. You did.
Yeah, guys, you did. Now get the curtains open.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. The curtains are opening, and we're going to bomb.
Y'all let him sing.
Ladies and gentlemen, a Christmas classic by Duke LaRue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and then O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. How's that?
What was that?
What kind of Christmas song was that, Duke?
That's Noel. Get it? Noel.
Why, Duke, that was,
Bad. That was just bad, dude.
What Beach?
Come on.
What you mean, Beach Bad?
That was so bad, I don't think Santa Claus will ever bring you anything.
Oh, come on.
Probably
You know,
right.
Yeah, you got to be good for Santa Claus to bring you something.
Yeah.
Have you been good, Billy Bob?
Yeah, I've been good. My mama really says I've been real good.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, of course she's prejudiced.
Yeah, I've been good. What are you bringing me, Beach Bear?
I'm not bringing you anything. What about you?
Oh, excuse me. I had you confused for Santa Claus for a minute. You know, all that white fur.
Yeah, that looks a lot like him. How about you, Fats? You been good?
I've been real extra special good this year.
I know you've been good. I've been watching you be good. How about you, Mitzi?
Of course I've been good.
Hey, how about everybody out there? Have you been good? Don't lie to me.
You better watch out. You better not cry. Better
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So you better be good for goodness sake. Hey.
Better be good for goodness sake.
You better watch out, you better not cry. You better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is, he's already here. Come on, we gotta go. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.